Welcome to this channel, traders. I want to show you how to kill gold like nobody's business using an old scalping strategy. Okay, without any waste of time, let us just go ahead into the video. I want to start by showing you how exactly gold moves so that you know how to trade it. Okay, let me just do this. I want to see. Okay, I want to see these sessions. First thing that is very much worth noting is that gold will make big moves only during the London and New York session. Okay, you see that gold will only move during the London and New York. During the London and New York. In between the sessions, it is moving in a zigzag. Okay, in between the sessions, it is moving in a zigzag. I want to show you how to trade it in between the sessions because that is where most of the money is. In between the sessions, it is making a zigzag. I know that most intraday traders will want to target the London session, this one, the London and New York, where gold makes a very big move. But catching this move might be a bit tricky unless you are an experienced trader. So for today, I want to show you how to make a lot of money right in this zigzag. Okay, in between the sessions, it is moving in a zigzag. It is moving in a zigzag. That is where we are going to be trading. That is where we are going to be trading because remember, we are scalping traders. We are going to be scalping. I used to make a lot of money with this thing. A lot of money. So you can go ahead and do your own research, but you will discover that gold will make a big move during the London and New York session. And between the London and New York sessions, gold is moving in a zigzag. Okay, it's not making big moves. The strategy we are going to be using during this zigzag is called the layering strategy because at least we are sure, very much sure, that between the sessions gold is definitely going to make a zigzag until it is in the London and New York. That is where it makes a very big move. Okay, and another thing that is very much worth mentioning, if between the sessions there are news to be released, you are not supposed to trade the strategy that I'm going to show you because gold can spike in one direction for a very long time during news release. So here is the thing. The layering strategy, I'm sure you know it, most of you know it, but it has been abandoned for one simple reason. This is how the strategy works. Let's say gold is moving upward like this, and right at the dotted line you place a buy trade right here. This is your entry point for a buy trade, and guess what? You see gold moving against you. So let's say 20 pips down the line, you put 3 more buy trades with the same lot size. If the lot size at the first trade was 0.02 or 0.05, depending on your account balance, you add 2 or 3 more trades when gold moves against you. Okay, and you see gold moving against you again, you add, let's say, 2 more trades, and you see gold pulling back again before it can get to your entry point. You don't want it to get to your entry point. Before it can get here, you will be deep in profit because you'll be having these 5 trades already in profit. You'll be having price above these 5 trades. Okay, that is how it works. Let me show you where it fails. It fails when it moves, let's say, in one direction. You add more trades, it keeps on moving in one direction until you blow your account. This is why this strategy was stopped and thrown away by many traders, but I used to kill the market with it because I understood that, or let me say, I understood the time when gold will be moving in one direction for a very long time, and I understood when gold will be moving in a zigzag. Okay, let me just make a simple example right here. Okay, let's remove this box. Let's say after identifying that price is now outside of the New York session, all you have to know is the beginning and the ending of the beginning of the London session and the ending of the New York session, so that you can avoid this time when scalping using this strategy. You can only attempt to trade here if you are an intraday trader. You are looking for those big moves, okay? But it's very tricky right here, traders, because you have these spikes. That's why it is easier to kill gold when it is sleeping than when it is awake. Okay, so let's say you know that the New York session has ended. What you do is worst case scenario right here. Let me expand this a bit. Let's say right here you place a buy trade, and then you see gold moving against you. You place 2 or 3 more buy trades, and then since gold is moving as in a zigzag, you see gold pulling back again. Before it can get to your entry point, you will be deep in profit, and what you do is you close everything. You close all your trades and you are done with this trading period. Okay, your next trading period will be right here. Okay, this is going to be a very good example. What you do is, okay, this is the end of the New York session. You know that price will at least move in a zigzag right here. Okay, worst case scenario, let's say right here you place a sell trade. Remember, you start with one trade. You place a sell trade. Gold moves against you about 20 pips. You place about 3 more sell trades. Okay, gold moves against you, let's say 15 pips. You are now shaking. You place 2 more trades. Okay, if your account is small, start with 0 or operate with 0.01, the smallest lot size, so that you won't blow your account. Gold moves against you, you place a few more trades, and guess what? Gold pulls back, and when it gets here, you will be deep in profit. You close everything. You are done for this session. You wait for the next trading period. Okay, so you can see that even if you do it on the worst case scenario, at some point gold is going to pull back within this period. Of course, traders, I can't say it's 100%,